Five little ducks went out to play, waddling down by the pond one day. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, come," but only four little ducks came home. Quack, 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 come home. Quack, 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 come home. Little duck friends, come back now. We want you safe and sound. Four little ducks went out to play, chasing butterflies all day. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, come," but only three little ducks came home. Quack, 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 come home. Quack, 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 come home. Little duck friends, come back now. We want you safe and sound. Three little ducks went out to play, floating where the lilies sway. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, come," but only two little ducks came home. Two little ducks went out to play, skipping by the reeds away. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, come," but only one little duck came home. One little duck went out to play, dancing in the sunshine's ray. Mama duck said, "Quack, quack, come," but no little ducks came home. Mama duck waddled to the hill, called so softly, standing still. "Quack, quack, quack, come back to me." Then all five ducks came happily. Five little ducks came running home. No more did they want to roam. They hugged Mama with happy smiles and played together for